This button indicates that power is off. This button indicates that power is on. To start this system, you must enter the passcode, then press button 12 to submit. When the passcode is correct, all buttons will light up momentarily. When the passcode is incorrect, only some buttons will light up. When system is on, you will enable the other buttons, including projector on, projector off, and master volume up, master volume down, and screen up, screen down, and HDMI, VGA with audio, and mic volume up, mic volume down. To turn off the system, press and hold the power off button for 3 seconds. This will shut down the projector, turn off the mics, and bring up the screen. This button indicates